Good morning, my compatriots in the Philippines and the world. Today is July 2026, and I'm here before the Interfaith Pamatalang Pilgrimage Mother Foundation in Pangitinan Corrected Landscape. No wonder, today at 6 a.m. I was awakened from a long dream of pilgrimages, and the message of Our Lady of Mount Carmel is for me to call Jeffrey Manahan from DNR Budget Office, because Jeffrey Reyes Manahan has been doing my video in Pangitinan Protected Landscape, connecting Pangitinan Protected Landscape of Rodriguez Rizal and the DNR main office, Department of Environment and Natural Resources. So my dear Interfaith Blessed Mother, I am here to present this because the message is to offer, to present this, so that His Excellency, the Sacred Prophetic President of the Philippine Republic for the World, Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., will be able to realize the covenant here in this marker, the Sacred Prophetic Covenant marker of His Excellency President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., as inspired by Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, Saint Joseph, Saint Padre Pio, on September 23, 2023. And now, my dear Blessed Mother, the message is to offer the here. So, the July 27, 2026 State of the Nation address will be a transfiguration. State of the Nation address as the presidential covenant with the Filipino people as inscribed in this covenant marker, which I was able to bring in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and in France, Belgium. So, this is to guide and bless everyone attending the July 27, 2026 State of the Nation address. The life, the Pangitinan protected life of the Philippine Department of Environment and Natural Resources, now headed by Sacred Prophetic Juan Miguel Luna. Now, envelope, the prophetic life envelope. Everyone participating in the July 27, 2026 State of the Nation address. Amen.